Hi and welcome. My name is Thor Pedersen and I'll be your instructor today. I have a lot of IT security certifications and I've helped a lot of friends, family, colleagues, and lastly students pass their IT security certifications because I'm good at explaining the concepts in a way that they understand they can relate to. Myself, I hold a good deal of IT security certifications and IT certifications in general. I have my CISSP, obviously. I have a certified ethical hacker. I have my PMP. I have a CCNP, a couple of CCNAs. So let's look at what this course is and what it is not. It is not the curriculum for the exam. It's not a 10 or 20-hour course. That is another course I have. This course is why you want to get the CISSP, why this is a great time to do it inexpensively, why there's a huge demand right now that's going to grow over the next couple of years for IT security professionals and specifically the CISSP. We will cover the domains very highly. What are they and how do they interrelate? We're going to look at study approaches, which materials I suggest. We're going to be looking at practice exams. A lot of your time is going to be spent on those, even more on the CISSP than other certifications. Then we're going to look at exam day. What do you need to expect? How should you approach it so you can be successful? And then what happens when you pass the certification? How do you get your CPEs, your annual maintenance fee? Or if you don't pass it, what do you do? How do you learn to fail forward where you don't waste all your progress and you actually are successful in the end? So I hope you will join me on this journey and thank you for being here. And if you have any questions, if there's any way I can help you to be successful, please leave a comment in the question and answer section. That way the other students can see what you said, how they had helped you, and I don't have to answer the same question over and over, and other students can give input. So thank you. Let's move to the course.